times and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight, what a time to be alive. Just you and
so fam, for our egusi pepper soup, here is all the ingredients that we need. Here I have a fresh catfish, and I also have dried fish here. So I have my egusi seed, I have my dried prawns, I have my tomatoes and my scotch bonnet pepper. So here is all pepper soup spices. Yeah, they are mixed and grinded. So here I have my crayfish, and here I have my seasoning cube. Maybe I'll be using about 2 of these, and also my salt to taste. So guys, let's get cooking. So guys, I'm going to start by blending all these 3 ingredients together. So I always like to make my pepper soup very simple by just blending everything together. I have my tomatoes and egusi and also my scotch bonnet inside the blender already. So I'm just going to be adding my crayfish and I'm just going to blend.
we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight, what a time to be alive. Just you and I.
Just have to make sure that it's super smooth. That's very important.
You can turn it all around, and you can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again, so we can fly again.
So guys, I'm going to add my 2 seasoning cube. So guys, this is my dry fish. I just finished washing it with hot water, and this is my dry prawns. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of hot water because the soup is thick. So guys, our soup is ready. Take a look at that delicious goodness. Just take a look at that. So the thing about egusi pepper soup is that it's a little bit thick, but you can make it light depending on what you want to use to eat it. Like me, I'm going to be using a starch. So I want it a little bit thick, but not that thick. This is the